Hi everybody, it's Kelly Driver here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first painting that I'll be doing and posting it online, which is a bit exciting. I'm using a round wooden board today, and I've chosen to use a permanent red purple, a phthalo blue, a yellow gold, a mauve from pre-mixed colours, and a nice little salmon kind of colour. So I'm looking forward to doing this, and hopefully this, my first attempt, works. Let's get going. Okay, now I've got everything ready to go. I've prepared all of my paint, and this is my board. I've put gesso on here. I think it was 2 or 3 coats of gesso on there. Now my plan is to put white here and a bit of purple here, and then blow it out from there. So we'll see how we go. Never painted onto a board before, so it will be interesting to see how this works. That's plenty of paint there. This is the purple that I've got mixed up from leftover paint, so I'm hoping that it turns out to be a lovely colour. Normally I always try to mask the back of the on a canvas, but I actually don't know how to do that on a board. I don't know how to put masking tape around on a board, so the back of this canvas might get a little bit messy, but we'll see. I'm just going to give it a go. Oh, there's a lump there, that's no good. Don't need a lump, just at the beginning. Okay, well I don't even need to blow out the purple. Okay, so I'm going to put down the phthalo blue first, followed by the yellow, because the combination of those two colours will make a love, can also bring out some greens. Then I've got the red purple, the salmon colour, that's not the official name of that, it's Venetian rose. Alright, so we'll start off with the phthalo blue. Then we've got the primary yellow. Actually going to put a bit more on the not the good colour combination. Now the Venetian rose. And I'm putting the gold on last because the gold seems to sink into the paint more, so I'm just going to put that on last and hoping for the best that it doesn't sink on this occasion, because it's so sad when it does. Alright, now there seems to be quite a bit of paint in there, but I will put on a bit of flood paint. And flood paint on the white there as well. And the other thing that I'll do is I'll torch it to make sure there's no bubbles in there. Yeah, there's lots of bubbles popping up there. So okay, that's good, got rid of some of the bubbles. Okay, so I'm going to push the colours over a bit and flood the canvas, and then I'll blow it out. Wow, well that is absolutely stunning. I'm really pleased with this. Obviously some of my leftover paint had some Floetrol in it because I've got lots of cells popped up that I didn't actually realise was going to happen. So this is just spectacular. Wow, I'm absolutely wrapped with this. It's absolutely stunning. I might just give it a little torch just to make sure. I don't want to do it too much because I don't want too much white to come out there. Wow, that is absolutely stunning. I'll take it off the tripod and give you a close-up of it, and I'm absolutely oh wow. Oh, amazing. This is a ripper. Absolutely spectacular. So I'll just make sure, oh, I don't have too much excess paint that's on the bottom of the canvas. All right, well, I'll turn off this now and then I'll come and give you a close-up. Okay, so here's a close-up of my, of the round wooden board. The colours have just got my lovely negative space up the top there, and we've got some amazing cells popping up all over the place and some beautiful rainbows. I'm really not going to touch too much of this at all because it's just beautiful the way it is. So I'm very excited. So if you liked my video, please hit the like button, and I'm planning on posting a lot more videos, so it would be great if you would subscribe as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.